Today we will discuss some illustrations of dissolution of partnership firm. Dia and Ria were partners sharing profit and losses equally 1:1. On 31st March 2016, the balance sheet of the firm was as follows. First of all, we will transfer all the assets to the debit side of the realization account except cash and partners loan. Here, firm has given loan to Dia. Except these, all the assets will be transferred to the debit side of the realization account and debtors will be transferred at the gross value 42,000, not at rupees 36,000. To debtors 42,000, to stock 12,000, to investment 18,000 and to plant and machinery 39,000. Similarly, all the assets, all the liabilities except Ria's loan, partner has given loan to the firm, separate loan account will be prepared. General reserve will not be transferred to the realization account. It will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Investment fluctuation fund, it will also not be distributed among the partners. It will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. When assets are given and funds related to assets are given, then these funds will not be transferred among the partners. These funds will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. And Ria's and Dia's capital account, ये हम separately इनके partners capital account prepare करेंगे. The capital account will also not be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. Creditors and provision for doubtful debts 6,000, creditors 60,000 and investment fluctuation fund. After that, the first transaction is the creditors were paid off by giving them the plant and machinery at a discount of 10% and the balance in cash. जो creditors हैं उनको हमने plant and machinery दे दी है at the discount of 10% and the value of plant and machinery given in the balance sheet is 39,000. At a discount of 10%, it means 35,100. एंड रिमेनिंग डेटर्स हैं उनका पेमेंट हो गया है 24,900. रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट 24,900. और जो भी क्रेडिटर ने एसेट ली है उसकी कोई भी एंट्री नहीं होगी बिकॉज हम ऑलरेडी क्रेडिटर्स और प्लांट एंड मशीनरी अकाउंट को क्लोज कर चुके हैं बाय ट्रांसफरिंग देम टू द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. एसेट्स जो होती है उनका कौन सा बैलेंस होता है? डेबिट बैलेंस होता है. अब हमने जब उसको ट्रांसफर किया है तो देन एंट्री इज रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी क्रेडिट हो गया तो इट मींस प्लांट एंड मशीनरी का अकाउंट क्लोज हो गया. सिमिलरली जो क्रेडिटर्स हैं उनका बैलेंस होता है क्रेडिट. तो उनको जो हमने ट्रांसफर किया है टू द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट देन द एंट्री इज क्रेडिटर्स टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. मींस क्रेडिटर्स का अकाउंट भी क्लोज हो चुका है. तो जो भी क्रेडिटर्स हैं उन्होंने जो भी एसेट ली है उसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं होगी. बाकी जो रिमेनिंग है उसकी हमने एंट्री की है रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. Next, Ria's loan was paid with the interest of ₹500. The interest on partner's loan will be transferred to the debit side of the realization account. To interest on Ria's loan. जो इंटरेस्ट है वो हमारे डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट्स को रिड्यूस करता है. That's why interest on Ria's loan will be transferred to the debit side of the realization account. Debtors realized 10% less of the amount due from them and debtors were rupees 42,000. 10% डिस्काउंट पर रियलाइज हुए हैं जितनी भी जो अमाउंट है उससे 10% लेस लिए, तो आप जो है वो 36,000 पर डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे, हम जो ग्रोस वैल्यू है उस पर डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट करेंगे। 42,000 into the 10%, that is 4,200. It means amount realized from debtors 42,000 minus 4,200, 37,800. And stock was taken over by RIA at rupees 7,000. The partner has taken the loan. It means RIA's capital account debit to realization. जब भी assets realize होती हैं तो then entry is bank account debit to realization. Okay, now अब जो है partner has taken, then partner's capital account debit to realization by RIA's capital account 7,000. Investment realized 80% of their book value, and the book value of investments 18,000 into 80%, 14,400 bank account debit to realization. Here in balance sheet cash is given, then cash account debit to realization account. Realization expenses rupees 600 were paid by the partner, and it is not mentioned who has to bear, it means firm has to bear. So then realization account debit to Dia's capital account. On the debit side of the realization account to Dia's capital account. Expenses. After this, total of the credit side and total of the debit side is 1,37,000, and the total of credit side is less than the total of the debit side. Then the difference is loss. 9,800 is a loss, and it will be transferred to the partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 1:1. If credit side is more, then there is the profit, and it will also transfer to the partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. After the realization account, partner's loan account, RIA loan account appearing on the debit side, on the liability side, that is 15,000. It means RIA has given loan to the firm, it is the liabilities, and liabilities की credit balance होते हैं, by balance brought down 15,000 on the credit side of the RIA's loan account, by balance brought down 15,000. And interest on loan, it will be also transferred to the partner's loan account 500 to cash account, इसका payment हो गया 15,500. And after partner's loan account, Diya firm has given loan to the Diya. It is an asset for the firm. Okay, then assets have debit balance to balance brought down. Balance brought down 2,000, and ये जो लोन का पेमेंट है जो हमने रिसीव किया है, कैश में रिसीव नहीं किया है, ये हम उसकी कैपिटल अकाउंट में डेबिट साइड ट्रांसफर कर देंगे बाय दियास कैपिटल अकाउंट 2,000. और जो पार्टनर का लोन है जो कि फर्म के लिए लायबिलिटी था, उसका पेमेंट हो चुका है 15,500. After that, partner's capital account will be prepared. First of all, the balances of capital 30 and 10 will be transferred to the credit side of the partner's capital account. 30 and 10,000, and realization expenses paid by Diya. Then realization account debit to Diya's capital account will be credited to the Diya's capital account 600, and general reserve even in the balance sheet 15,000, It will be transferred to the partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. General reserve account debit to Riaz capital and Riaz capital account 7500 and 7500, and loss on realization 4900 4900 partners capital account debit to realization, and Ria has taken the stock, then Ria's capital account debit to realization on the debit side of the Ria's capital account to stock, and Dia has also taken loan from the firm, then इसको भी हम ट्रांसफर कर देंगे दिया की जो है डेबिट साइड में पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट में ऑन द डेबिट साइड. The total of the credit side of the Riaz capital account is 37,500 and balance जो है उसे पेमेंट हमें करना है 25,600 and Dia's total of the credit side is 18,100 and debit side 6,900. Then the final जो पेमेंट करना है दिया को 11,200. After that cash account is given in the balance sheet, so we will prepare the cash account to balance brought down. तो कैश का हमें बैलेंस गिवन है 25,000 in the balance sheet. Assets realized, जो भी assets realized हुई हैं in the realization account, assets are realized 52,200. Cash account debit to realization 52,200. एंड जो पेमेंट की है क्रेडिटर्स का पेमेंट किया है 24,900. रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस का पेमेंट, realization expenses has been paid by the partner. Okay, Ria's loan account 15,500. Then Ria's capital account final payment किया 25,600 and Dia's 11,200. And total of both the sides are 77,200. In next illustration, Gurmeet, Harinder and Jagat are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They agreed to dissolve the firm when their balance sheet stood as follows. In this question, the current accounts of partners is also given. Gurmeet 2,400 and Harinder 1,460. And current account of Jagat is 1,740. इसमें जो इनके करंट अकाउंट है इनको हम ट्रांसफर कर देंगे इनके कैपिटल अकाउंट्स में. यहाँ पर जो करंट अकाउंट गिवन है वो लायबिलिटी साइड गिवन है, तो देन वो ट्रांसफर हो जाएंगे पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में क्रेडिट साइड. और जो हमें करंट अकाउंट गिवन है ऑन द एसेट साइड, इट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू द डेबिट साइड ऑफ द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. देन ऑल द assets excluding cash and current account transferred to the debit side of the realization account, and debtors will be transferred at their gross value, that is 50,000. Land and building, marketable securities, sundry debtors and stock. And in the same way, the liabilities, notes payable means bills payable, sundry creditors, advances from Harinder, it means loan has taken from Harinder, it will not be transferred to the realization account, एक separate loan account prepare करेंगे. Sundry creditors and notes payable will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. Current account and capital accounts को भी हम transfer नहीं करेंगे. After transferring the assets and liabilities, land and building realized 70,000, marketable securities 18,000, sundry debtors 47, stock 30 and equipment 22,240. Cash account is given, so then cash account debit to realization. By cash account, assets realized total of all these assets 70,000 plus 18,000 plus 47,000 plus 30,000 and plus 22,240. एंड लाइबिलिटीज का पेमेंट करेंगे जो भी हमारी आउटसाइड लाइबिलिटीज है, नोट्स पेबल एंड सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर. अगर क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं है कि पेमेंट करना है तो भी हमें आउटसाइड जो लाइबिलिटीज है, जो भी हमारी एसेट्स रियलाइज होंगी उसमें से हमें आउटसाइड लाइबिलिटीज का पेमेंट करना ही करना है. तो देन टू कैश, नोट्स पेबल एंड क्रेडिटर्स 80,000. Now total of the credit side of the realization account and the debit side. Here debit side is 2,87,360, which is more than the credit side of the realization account, and balance is loss is 8,360, and it will be transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. After that, Harinder has given loan to the firm. Then Harinder's loan account will be prepared. It is the liability for the firm on the credit side by balance brought down 40,000 and इसको हमने पे कर दिया to cash account 40,000. After that, partners capital accounts will be prepared, and the balances of capital are Gurmeet, Harinder and Jagat 50,000, 30,000 and 23,480. These will be transferred to the credit side of the capital account by balance brought down, and the current account balances from balance sheets will also be transferred to the partners capital account. The balances given on the liability side will be transferred to the credit side of the partners capital account 2,400 and 1,460. 2,400 and 1,460 लाइबिलिटी साइड गिवन थे, इनको हमने ट्रांसफर कर दिया ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. एंड जो हमें गिवन है करंट अकाउंट का बैलेंस ऑन द एसेट साइड, इट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू द डेबिट साइड. After this, loss on realization will be transferred to the debit side of the partners capital account 4180, 2508 and 1672. And the final payment made the credit side, total the credit side of Gurmeet is 52,400, Harinder is 31,460 and Jagat 23,480, and the final payment made to Gurmeet 48,220 after deducting 4180, and to Harinder 28,952 and to the Jagat 20,068. And at last we will prepare the cash account and the balance brought down, the cash balance given in the balance sheet debit side, assets realized 1,87,250 and payment made of notes payable and creditors 80,000. then partners loan की भी हमने पेमेंट की थी 40,000 and payment of Gurmeet's capital 48,220 and Harinder's capital 28,952 and Jagat's capital 20,068.